Hi, this is Jacob Danes from Ms. Krebs' third hour class, and today I will be answering the question for how long would it take to fly to Mars. The answer is kind of surprising, as it is a lot shorter than you would expect it to be in terms of time, but there's a lot of other logistical issues that are prohibiting it, so this is strictly theoretical. So, in my research, according to NASA.gov, their fastest ship is a ship called the Atlas Shuttle, which was part of their space shuttle program, and it had a top speed of 28,968 kilometers an hour, which equates to 18,000 miles per hour. Just to give you kind of a perspective for how fast this is, it's roughly 9 times the speed of a rifle bullet, so it's pretty fast. And then, so for the distance between the Earth and Mars, Space.com cites it as being 54.6 million kilometers or 33.9 million miles. These values are given at something called perihelion Mars and aphelion Earth. So perihelion Mars is essentially the point at Mars's orbit at which it is closest to the sun, because orbits are not perfectly circular, and aphelion Earth is when Earth is at its farthest point from the sun within its orbit. So these two conditions would create the shortest possible distance between the two planets. However, this phenomenon has yet to occur. But for this equation, we are going to be using this distance because it is, in theory, the most favorable distance that the ship could be launched, connecting Earth and Mars. So from our Unit 1 physics chapter, we got the formula speed is equal to distance over time. So to solve this equation for time, you'd have to multiply time by both sides, which equates to distance equals speed times time. You would then have to divide both sides by speed, with which you would derive time is equal to distance over speed. So just writing out our equation, again, we have time is equal to distance over speed. Time is our unknown in this equation. Distance, we're going to be going with 333.9 million miles. And speed, we're going to be going with 18,000 miles per hour. So when we put that in, we get 33,900,000 miles over 18,000 miles per hour. Which equates to 1,883.333 hours, which is roughly 1,883 and a third hours, which is, in a third of an hour is 20 minutes, so that's 1,883 hours and 20 minutes. This equals to 78.5 days, which is roughly 2 months. So like I said, much shorter than you would expect the trip to be. And that being said, it kind of begs a question of when will we do it? My name is Jacob Danes, and thank you for watching.